Good evening, students. Today, this evening, we are going to learn in Flash twin motion. Twin motion in which we make a object and we give it a free motion. So the first step is this white area is called stage. This is called timeline, and these small squares are called frames. So students, I am going to make an object, change its colors, now click on 15, press F6, click on 15, press F6, select it and keep it on another end. 15, press F6, keep it on another end. Right click on the first frame, create motion, right click, create motion. The important thing, there will be arrow between these frames, these keyframes. This shows that this body will move. This is called twin motion. Students, this was an easy task. I hope you must understand it. For this, please practice a lot. Have a good day. Jai Hind.